Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create a Craigslist profile. It is pretty simple, you just need to go and follow these few steps that I will be showing you in this video. But now guys, let's see first what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the Craigslist official website, which is craigslist.org, which you need to go and visit to know how to do this. Now we have the Craigslist home button, which is here that you can click. Underneath it, we have post an ad, where when you click on it, you can then post an ad of a thing that you want to go and post. So basically it can be a job, something that you want to sell, or anything like that. Down here, we have the event calendar. Here we have the help, frequently asked questions, abuse, legal, and some of those stuff. And here, as you can see, we have everything that you can go on all the services, basically. So we have the community, housing, we have jobs, we have services, for sale, discussion forums, and we have the gigs and resumes here. Also in the top right corner, here also you can go and click to post. Here you can search for by area, so we have some areas here, and also here you can go and change your language. And here you have everything about your account, which at the moment we have to go and log in to create to have it there. Also here you have some stuff as you can see, but now let's see actually how you can create your account. So basically what you need to do is, if you want to create an account, is click on create account. And first of all, you need to go and put your email. So when you put your email, just a second, then you can go and click create account, and a mail will be sent to your account where you can go and confirm it to get your account started. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and pull the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.